Hello everyone. First of all, I have to apologize for being away for so long and not providing you a professional review. But I have been rediscovering myself as a photographer, and I became very disappointed with Leica because even though the lenses were very good, I was disappointed that the bodies did not follow the current technology, and the performance in the dark with the ISO was not very good with a flash, and I figured that Leicas do not work very well with when it's dark because they don't have very good flashes, whereas the Nikon and the other brands work better in darker environments and with the ISO. The ISO has to do with how dark it is outside. So if the ISO is high, it means that it's dark outside. So the Leica doesn't work well with a dark ISO, and the Nikon works better. So I decided to get a Nikon instead of the Leica. And frankly, I've just about had it with the Leica bodies. They really don't satisfy me anymore. And I decided to go to the Nikon because Nikons is really what the professional photojournalists use. So I got a Nikon F3 because it's a very good camera and has been around for a long time. And even though and it works very well in the dark because it comes with this flash, the SC12, so it works very well with the dark ISOs because it has a very good flash. I mean, it's a very big flash. You can see it's even bigger than the camera. So there was only one problem with the Nikon F3, that it was manual focus, but and I talked about that before and with the Leicas, but you can get around it because even though it's a mechanical camera, if you connect it to this grip, then it's not manual anymore, it's automatic. You can hear it, and you can still use it manual focus if you turn this knob here, and then it just shoots basically like this. It shoots manual, but when you turn this here, then it shoots autofocus. So, I had to purchase this part too, the grip, MD grip, but I think it's worth the money because it works very well. And the good thing about it is, because the Leica lenses are good, I kept my Leica. That's the Noctilux. I've done another video on this. I've talked about this, so I can't wait to connect it. I'm sure it connects something like that right here. So this way I can use the Leica with the Nikon, and if I use the motor, then I can use it in autofocus too. And then if there's dark ISOs, I can use the flash. So I'll give it a shot. And they told me that if this flash is not up to par because it's a little bit old, I also bought this one here, the Metz flash, and that's even stronger that's when it's like really dark outside and there's no light at all. So you can use the Metz. So I'll give this a shot, and I'll let you know how it goes. Thank you.